Hi guys, just a quick update on the full-size Skyhunter. Had a slight whoopsie over the weekend. I had a 10,000 milliamp 4S, which is, find it in the box, one of them bad boys, multi-star 4S 10,000. Trying to fly around, just generally energy saving really, just trying to do a bit of economical run to see what she'll do, how long she'll last in the air really on a 10,000. So she could take two of those batteries quite easily, so I was just going to go around and see what she can fly like. It was a very calm day, very little wind if any across the field, so yeah, it's flying around, just sort of cruising, sort of videoing the other guys flying around. About 10-15 foot above the ground. Just had to pull up just marginally, just a pinch to get over a hedge, and she just looks like a tip stall came in. Landed flat, or reasonably flat, and then broke the tail boom. That's just a superficial bit of foam crack, just putting some Yoo-hoo pour on it to sort out. But the main interesting thing is where the boom's broke. It looks like the actual super glue is pulled out of the carbon and split the carbon rods in a couple of places, which is good in some ways I suppose, because as I say, I actually foiled the inside to get rid of the shiny carbon, super glued up, and then put on the 3D mounts, 3D printed hinge mounts, which you can see here. The actual hinge mounts are completely unscathed. Nothing wrong with them, both of them. One snapped on one end, one snapped on the other end, but both carbon rods have pulled out of the this end's alright in here, and again this end is alright here. It's the ends that pulled out have split, but the actual, I was quite surprised, the actual 3D printed parts are absolutely bob on. So in my book it's still I'll try and get your balance back up there again. Really need a mount. What the bloody hell? Well, it's taking a piss now. There we go. Anyway, so got the mounts. Really impressed with that actually. So it gives you more confidence just to push it a bit harder. Go out further. I know we're not going to break. I'm going to spray those up black this time to keep some of the UV light off it, just in case the UV light, sunlight degrades them a little bit. But yeah, really impressed. And that's a win-win. The parts are up on Thingiverse now, and MogX channel. I'll put a link in the bit below or in the corner somewhere. Yeah, so I just want to do a follow-up video of how the 3D printed parts have gone. I know I've raved about them a little bit, but really impressed with the Skyhunter. Really impressed with the 3D folding mounts, because it folds up pretty much to that. So that boom comes over the front here. So yeah, folds up quite nicely. It's quite short, still long obviously, but it's quite short. Other mods I've done recently, just a quick few of those. Lights in the front here, quite powerful spotlights, one on each side, and I've put some strobes up under there, which flash there really bright. And I'll probably put some LEDs on top of here at some point, just for the back end. Just say make it easier for people following me. Well, make it easier for people to follow me and potentially knock me out the sky. But hopefully that won't happen. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I do have the odd brainstorming idea every now and again. I've got a couple in the pipeline, which should be quite interesting for you combat pilots. Anyway, enough said on that one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.